Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Thank you to West Kids Hair for sending this beautiful wig. We're gonna see what's inside. We have a bonnet, lashes, wig cap, edge brush, edge band, and the bag to store the wig. Now this is the wig. We're gonna see. It's 22 inches, medium cap size, HD lace, and it's body wave. I can tell. So the wig comes with a band that just came off. Let's fix it. Guys, I love the lace. It already have curls, so guess what? We don't have a lot of problem in styling this wig because the curls are already in it. And the lace is already pre-bleached. Look at that. You can see right through it. There's combs. I love the wigs with combs. So there's a comb at the back and on the sides, and then the adjustable band, which I do appreciate. So we're gonna install this. The lace is already pre-cut, so this is like a beginner friendly wig as well, but the lace is HD. I love the lace. I can tell this install is gonna be super easy and seamless. So this is how it looks. There's curls already, so all you gotta do is slip this on. We're gonna get into it. Guys, look at the lace. Alright guys, so we did style a wig. We're gonna go in and take these out. I like to style my wigs before I install them. I don't know, it's just easier with installation. Alright guys, we're gonna braid our hair first and then we're gonna install the wig because I went ahead and washed my hair. Alright, so we're done. I'm gonna try and fit the wig on my head. Oh my god. Look at that lace. This is insane. So
take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Money, how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. Don't mesmerize by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change on my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes.
alright guys, I'm gonna tie down the edges. I literally did like some soft baby ear. Just cut a little piece. We're not doing any baby ears, but basically just cut out some so you guys see the illusion. I'm gonna tie this down for a couple of minutes while I finish styling the wig. All I'm gonna do next is I love the hair texture, it feels so good. All I'm gonna do next is basically go in back on the sides and do some more curls, like change the wave pattern or the curl pattern.
Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion, change on my flows. Change my approach, loving these hoes everywhere. It rains, it pours.
Alright guys, I did my makeup and I am ready to reveal this beautiful wig. This one has no baby hair. I recently did a side part and I'm feeling side part now, so the hair quality is extremely amazing. This is the 4x7 lace. You don't have to worry about anything. It's a wear and go wig from West Kiss Hair. So I absolutely love it. All the details will be in the description. First of all, you don't have to curl the wig. The wig already comes with curl. If you're a person looking to get a wear and go wig, don't worry. All you have to do is slip the wig onto your head. That's all I did. Pretty simple, real easy. I like the wear of it like this. This around the back and then this around the front. Yeah, it's given. I really do like it. Not too long. We went in and add some layers. Just because it's a body wave wig, we wanted to add some layers so we can give it a little bit more pop, you know. Layers make sense. So there's no baby hair. What do you guys think about this one with no baby hair? Just wear and go. Pretty simple with what I did. The lace is insane, okay? The lace quality is completely insane. Guys, look at that. See how wide that is? The lace is lacing. So I love this. Thank you so much, West Kiss Hair. I want to show you guys how snug the wig is around the back. see that? The baby's in my lap, so I have to kind of turn. So it comes with a comb around the back. The band is there. I like to put the comb under the band so everything is secure. See that? Love that. And the wig, the curls are bouncy. If you guys look how bouncy the curls are, it is insane. Absolutely love this. We went in and kind of layer the front as well, just because it's a side part. Pretty easy, simple. You can install this. All you have to do is buy, it comes with the adjustable band, so all you have to do is buy the wig, adjust the band to your liking, and put the wig on. Don't even worry about changing the curl. It came center part unless you want to do a side part, but this one came as a center part already. All you had to do was to slip it on. Love it. It's not too long. This is giving natural ear vibes with no baby ear. So thank you so much to Westkiss Hair for sending this beautiful wig over. I want to check the deeds of everything. Yes, it was 22 inches. We add layers, so it came down a little bit. Doesn't matter the inch, you guys can definitely get whatever you want. Summer is coming. Nobody really wants anything too long, right? So this is the perfect wear and go wig for you. Nice birthday gift for your mom, aunt, friend, birthday vibes. They don't have to worry about install, just slip it on. So we're gonna get into the final look. Thanks again to Westkiss Hair. I'm really feeling this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get to the cute part.